Storyblok has a history of going above and beyond for events. Let's take a look. At OMR Festival 2023, we have challenged ourselves to go even bigger. I mean, just look at this booth. Now, we didn't just create this booth to look pretty. We're actually hosting silent conferences in the booth all day. There are 25 seats available per session, and registration is required. To register for a silent conference session, visit this link. Storyblok is also hosting 2 different masterclasses. For our first masterclass, our Analyst Relations Manager, Julius Hemingway, along with a special guest, will teach you how to maximize your ROI with the right headless CMS. And for our second masterclass, our VP of Marketing, Thomas Payam, along with Virtual Identity's Executive Board member, Timo Meyer, are diving deep into AI content creation. If you would like to join us for one of our masterclasses, register at omr.com. So, come and enjoy some free coffee, play some games, win some swag, and learn how Storyblok could be the right CMS for you. We'll see you there.